Hey there, I'm showing an issue with this Anchor hub. As you can see, I have a USB regular A dongle for my Logitech MX keys and MX Master Mouse, and I have power delivery plugged in. I have a HDMI cable that's rated for like 8K and a USB 3.0 external webcam. And the HDMI is connected to this 32-inch 4K monitor. I'm trying to show that, so being pretty close to the dongle, moving my mouse, I'm able to, it's good connection, but as soon as I move it a little bit further away, I get lag. And this dongle is supposed to have these USB 2.0 ports for mice and keyboard, and I'm using them, and it's supposed to not give any interference, but as soon as I remove the USB 3.0 webcam, I have my freedom again. I'm able to move very smoothly. So unfortunately, if you use a dongle, it's going to be a problem for you.